Welcome to this three-part tutorial series on evaluating the results of your Google Scholar searches. Before you watch these videos, you may want to take a look at our Google Scholar Guide and the tab Setting AU Library Links. It will show you how to set up your search preferences in Google Scholar so that AU library resources will be included in your search results. You can find this tutorial on the website libguides.athabascau.ca/Google_Scholar/links. In this video series, I will show you what your Google Scholar search results mean, how to use the cite function, how to access items you find in Google Scholar, how to carry out advanced searches, how to view author profiles, how to interpret citation statistics, and Google Scholar's limitations. In this first video, we look at what your search results mean, how to use the cite function, and how to access items from your search results. Let's do a sample search in Google Scholar for cephalopod or cephalopods intelligence. Your search results tell you what kind of item you have found and where you might access it. Results may include articles in PDF or HTML format, books, citations, and more. One thing to remember about your search results is that not all of these items will be available to you. For example, books in Google Scholar are from Google Books, and these books are not always available in their entirety there. Also, you will sometimes see a link to an article that may not be available in AU Library or that is behind a paywall, meaning that you have to pay, often a large amount, to view it. We will move on to accessing full-text items in a moment. Before we do that, I will demonstrate the cite function. If you have found an item that you would like to use in your research, you can capture the citation information very easily. Simply click on the quotation mark symbol below the article entry. Then, in the pop-up window, choose your preferred citation style and copy and paste the citation into your document. You can also export it to a citation management software such as RefWorks or Zotero. Always double-check your Google Scholar citations, as sometimes they contain formatting errors. As you can see, there is an error here in that the journal's volume, issue, and page numbers are not included. There are a few ways to access items that you find in Google Scholar. If you have saved AU Library results in your settings, or have accessed Google Scholar via AU Library, you can see which items Google Scholar identifies as being available through the library. For example, following the PDF link here will take you directly to the article in a new browser window. You can download the article from here. Clicking on the Athabasca University Library link to the right will show you which AU Library database you can find this article in. Follow the link on the gray page to find the article within the database. The advantage of following the database link is that you can read the abstract of the article, view citation information, and browse through other issues of this journal or through other journals in this database. Sometimes you will find articles that you want to use that do not have an AU Library link in Google Scholar. This does not always mean that the library does not have access to the article. In this situation, it's always good to double-check by doing a journal title search, because sometimes AU Library does have the article you're looking for. To carry out a journal title search, click on the Journal Title Search tab on the home page. Type in the title of the journal in which the article was published. You can see if we have the journal you need in one of our databases. Follow the database link and then use the publication date, volume, and issue numbers to track down the article in the database. You can usually find the publication year and volume and issue numbers for an article by using Google Scholar's cite function. Click on the quotation marks icon to see the full citation information for the article. You can also request, via Interlibrary Loan, articles, book chapters, and conference proceedings that are unavailable in AU Library. You can find further information and request forms on the Interlibrary Loan's website at libguides.athabascau.ca/ILL. You can also find the Interlibrary Loans webpage from the library homepage under How to Use the Library. Part 2 of this video series will focus on carrying out advanced Google Scholar searches, accessing author profiles, and interpreting citation statistics.